Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Most men over 50 assume that stiff hips, tight joints, and declining testosterone are just the price of getting older. But that belief misses the real issue. Aging isn't the main problem. The real problem is that the body has slowly stopped trusting movement. When mobility fades, your nervous system becomes cautious. It shifts into a protective state. Circulation slows down. Communication between muscles, joints, and hormones weakens. Over time, testosterone levels can decline, not because of age alone, but because the body no longer feels stable or safe to move. That's the key idea we talk about often here on Health Fact 10M. Your body responds to signals. When movement feels unsafe, the body pulls back. When movement feels controlled and confident, the body opens up again. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 overlooked exercises that help restore those lost movement signals. No heavy weights, no jumping, no punishment, just smart, controlled movements that help your body relearn stability. When that happens, mobility improves, and testosterone can respond naturally. Before we begin, drop a comment with your age and where you're watching from. Exercise 1. The frog stretch. This is where many men over 50 need to start, even if it feels unfamiliar at first. Years of sitting shorten the inner thighs and lock the hips into a guarded position. When that area stays tight for too long, the nervous system starts to see movement as a threat. Blood flow through the pelvis decreases, posture stiffens, and internal signaling slows down quietly over time. The frog stretch isn't about forcing flexibility. It's about rebuilding trust. Come down onto your hands and knees. Slowly slide your knees wider apart and let your hips drift back while keeping your spine long. Your feet can turn inward or outward. Choose whatever feels most natural. What matters most here is breathing, not depth. As you settle in, breathe slowly into your lower belly. Let the inner thighs soften gradually. This calm, controlled position sends a message to your nervous system that the hips are safe again. When that message gets through, circulation improves through the pelvis, glutes, and groin, areas closely tied to male hormonal health. You should feel mild tension, but never sharp pain. Pain causes the body to tighten up. Calmness allows it to release. Hold this stretch for about 20 to 40 seconds, rest briefly, and repeat 2 to 3 times. Think of this movement as unlocking the system. Everything that follows works better once the hips are no longer on guard. Exercise 2. The deep squat hold. The deep squat is one of the most natural positions the human body is built for, yet for many men, it disappears by the time they reach their 50s. When this movement is lost, the hips stop communicating clearly with the nervous system. Stability fades, joints stiffen, and the body becomes hesitant. Hormonal balance does not thrive in a body that feels unstable. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width, toes gently turned out. Slowly lower your hips into the deepest squat you can comfortably control. Keep your heels grounded and your chest upright. You can rest your elbows inside your knees or extend your arms forward to help with balance. Focus on even pressure through your feet and a tall spine. This position reconnects your ankles, knees, hips, and pelvis into one stable unit. When the nervous system senses this alignment, it allows improved blood flow through the lower body and pelvic region. There's no rush here. Let gravity do the work. Adjust your stance if needed. Small changes can make a big difference. Hold the squat for 20 to 40 seconds, rest, and repeat 2 to 3 rounds. Over time, this position rebuilds confidence in movement and supports healthier testosterone signaling. Exercise 3. The quadruped crawl. By their 50s, many men haven't just lost flexibility or strength, they've lost coordination. When the body stops moving as one connected system, balance declines, energy drops, and movement feels awkward. Testosterone doesn't respond well to a body that moves with hesitation. The quadruped crawl restores one of the most fundamental human movement patterns. Start on your hands and knees with a neutral spine and your eyes looking slightly forward. Gently engage your core. Slowly lift one hand and the opposite knee just off the floor and move forward with control. Keep your hips level and your movements quiet. There should be no rushing, no bouncing, no strain. This slow, deliberate crawl reconnects the shoulders, core, hips, and legs. That coordination sends a powerful signal to the nervous system that the body is capable and safe to move again. If balance feels difficult, shorten the steps or pause between movements. Control matters more than distance. Crawl for 20 to 30 seconds, rest, and repeat 2 to 3 rounds. Over time, posture improves, stiffness eases, and the internal environment becomes far more supportive of healthy hormone levels. Exercise 4. The reverse lunge. Many mobility issues in men over 50 come down to one missing skill: confident single leg control. When the body doesn't trust one leg to support weight, the hips tighten, the knees take on extra stress, and movement becomes cautious. The reverse lunge is a safe and effective way to rebuild that trust. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Step one foot backward and gently lower the knee toward the floor while keeping your front heel grounded. Push through the front foot to return to standing, then switch sides. Stepping backward reduces stress on the knees and allows the glutes and hips to do their job. As those muscles engage, pelvic stability improves and the spine stays upright. That stability reassures the nervous system and supports better energy and hormonal balance. Move slowly. Keep your torso tall. If balance is challenging, shorten the step or lightly hold onto a wall. Perform controlled repetitions on each side, resting as needed. Over time, this movement strengthens the legs, protects the joints, and restores confidence in everyday motion. Exercise 5. Cobra to Child's Pose. This final movement brings everything together. Many men focus only on strength and flexibility but overlook recovery. When the nervous system stays tense, the body remains in stress mode. Breathing becomes shallow, joints stay tight, and hormonal balance suffers. Begin lying on your stomach with your hands under your shoulders. Gently press into your hands to lift your chest, opening the front of the body while keeping the hips relaxed on the floor. This is a gentle extension, not a forceful bend. Breathe slowly. After a few breaths, ease back into child's pose by sitting your hips toward your heels and reaching your arms forward. Let your spine round naturally and allow your head to relax. This position signals safety. Breathing deepens. The body softens. Move slowly between these two positions for several calm cycles. This teaches the nervous system how to shift out of tension and back into balance, a critical skill for overall health and hormonal support. If you're over 50 and feeling stiff or slower than you used to, understand this: your body isn't broken. It's been protecting itself. When mobility drops, circulation and testosterone often drop with it. These 5 exercises aren't about pushing harder. They're about restoring confidence in movement. Practice this routine 3 to 5 times a week. Move slowly. Breathe deeply. Stay consistent. When your body feels stable again, mobility improves, and testosterone can respond naturally. If you're ready to move better and feel stronger after 50, comment, "Ready," and commit to the process.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.